Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to see all your liked videos or liked reels on Facebook. If you want to break them up, this is how to do it. Open your Facebook app, navigate to the reels section. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on more options, and here click on liked reels. From here you're going to see all the video you have liked on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.